He has already locked me out.
Yes.
Go ahead.
No, go ahead.
All right. My name is Sydney Chazima from NTV. My statement is, my question is locked to, we've had a meeting with the Kenya Kwanza side of the bipartisan talks, and they are saying that since the talks are seemingly ceasing and there's no legal conundrum around what the selection panel was doing, they're saying that it should go ahead and appoint select the commissioners for the Iebc. What is your take on that?
We already made a statement about that. As you know, that Iebc is a national institution which is supposed to preside over elections. And these are not Kenya Kwanza elections. They're national elections. They are competition. So Kenya Kwanza cannot solely, alone, single-handedly appoint the referee in the elections. That is very unfair. Those then will be their own elections. They are not going to be Kenyan national elections. You've said that Azimio must be part and parcel of appointing the electoral commissioners. So that must be decided jointly. They are the ones who actually scatter the talks. They even refuse to stop that task force from proceeding ahead. The task force has said that they never stopped. They have never been told to stop at all. So they basically were just playing a game with us. But we are telling them those will not be Kenya national elections. And we hope that we will not reach that stage.
Last question.
My name is Emmanuel Top from KTN News. Just one question. Yesterday the courts stopped the CS positions and declared them unconstitutional, null and void. Do you think our courts are now going in the right direction? And what's your reaction to that?
Generally, we've said that, the courts, you cannot talk general, you cannot generalize. Because, you've got magistrates' courts, you've got the High Court, the Court of Appeal, and the Supreme Court. So we deal with the issues which are specific. We don't want to generalize. But we think that the court has acted correctly in doing what is right. The media must get it correct, because you're saying the court has done Ruto a blow. No, the court has just upheld the law, what the Constitution says. They've interpreted it correctly. And this is what we talk about, the division of powers and responsibilities. Parliament makes laws. The executive implements those laws. And if there's a dispute, then the court interprets those laws in terms of the Constitution. That is their responsibility. So they have done their work properly, in our view.
Thank you. Let's call it a day. We are going to give you copies of the statement.
Cutaways. Okay.
Okay.
So put on your best smile.